Hello. Okay. Well, this is gonna be my first video of reviewing any market, actually. But so my ideas about the market is based on, or about all markets, is based on ICT concepts and what he teaches in his mentorship. I'm actually studying his work right now, and I'm trying to improve myself in trading. And I've been trading uh, for for some time now, and just a couple of months ago I just stumbled on his work and started studying it, and now it's kind of the only thing I use. And yeah, so I wanted to share some videos, just like a diary kind of, or like my like my trading journal or something like that. But yeah, so that's kind of the concept. So this video, or any video I'm gonna be making, is not financial advice. You should never act on based on what somebody else is talking about or somebody else is saying. You should always try to educate yourself and make decisions on based on your own experience and on your own knowledge. So essentially what I'm gonna be talking about is, well, this is Marel. This is an Icelandic company, and I just recently started trading this stock in particular. I just wanted to see if this actually works on anything, like if this strategy is working on any in any markets. So I'm used to trading, or I'm used to, or I have been paper trading for a while now, and I have traded with real money too, but I needed a reset, and I've started to paper trade and gaining more experience through that. So, but in this stock, I have taken one trade, and so far so good. So, based on the ideas of ICT, but yeah. So let's get into it. Just my bias for the long term right now at the moment is bullish. Why is that? The reason is that we have this old low here from 2020, which we swept here, but by sweeping that low, we did not get to an important spot in particular, which is this fair value gap right here, which was, there was some liquidity engineered around that level. Well, I wasn't looking at this stock right here. I started looking at the stock somewhere around here, and yeah, and that was around the time when I started to want to check if this strategy and the concepts work on in this market. What I've learned is that this market is there is not a lot of not so fast movement like in the American indices or US indices that I'm used to trade in, and so you need to be focusing a little bit more on the bigger time frames. Right now I'm on the weekly time frame, so as you can see, I've been in this trade for probably 6 weeks now, and I can't see, well, I can't, of course I can't tell you how long it's gonna be, but we'll see. So we swept this. We ended up sweeping this sell set, trading it to the weekly fair value gap and covering that all the way through, and there was another small one under that which we covered too. And on this upside here we didn't reach this fair value gap right here, which is interesting because this just looks like a sweet spot right now, and I would like to see price draw to it, especially after we made this low, and I don't call lows right now. I don't have the experience for that, but I think it's likely that we are drawing to that fair value gap and this engineered liquidity right here. This sudden drop here is when is in May, when the it's when the quarterly, I don't know how you say it, but when they gave out the financial statements or whatever, and it was bad, but yeah, but this just gives us a target, makes this spot a little bit sweeter. But our first target was hit. We traded up into an untouched daily fair value gap right here, took out the weekly high, and are now retracing probably into this weekly fair value gap right here. We're digging into this order block as well. So my view is that we're gonna retrace into this fair value gap and probably gonna see if we can get a leg higher up and try to reach for this buy side liquidity. And on our way we're gonna close, my view is that we close this volume imbalance right here on the daily. So we'll see what happens, but I'm gonna start being on YouTube a little bit more, I haven't been here at all, but I'm gonna start to kind of keep a journal, as I said, and I can't give anybody financial advice, so you can interpret these videos how you want, but financial advice is not the reason I'm here. You should never take any of my videos as financial advice, and they might not be good even, so but this is my review. I encourage you to see for yourself what's happening on the charts, and if you would like to get to know more, I recommend you to search on YouTube for Inner Circle Trader. There you can get, he explains his concepts very well, and it goes very much in depth about them, and you can learn a lot from it. And if you want to know how I place my trades, there you can see it. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll be back soon, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you probably later this week or next week. Just remember, always try to stay informed if you're gonna make any financial decisions with your own money. And good luck, and I will catch you later.